القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 4. Now, lesson number 4 starts the series on al-Mudood. Now, Mudood is the plural for med. You must have heard this term. Med is the lengthenings, so the different lengthenings that we have in the Quran. Now, we were introduced to med because I've talked about alif med, we've talked about waw, we've talked about ya. So these are the natural med letters, alif, waw, ya. And of course, the alif is the natural med for the fatha, the waw is the natural med for the dhamma, and the ya is the natural med for the kasra. So these are the med letters. Now let's go straight into the introduction. So there are many types of al-med in Tajweed. This lesson will be an introduction to the series of lessons because there's many types of med that we need to get our head around the categories. Now, the lengthening of the med is always affected by the speed of the reciter. Again, we were talking about the speed. The speed is tahqiq, tadwir, and hadar, and it is affected by that speed that they are reading at. It's either fast, medium, or slow. Now, as mentioned, the 3 natural med, and the 3 natural med is al-maddu al-tabi'i in Arabic. So al-maddu al-tabi'i is alif, waw, ya. Now these mad have a vowel count of 2 harakat, and that's why they are called the natural med, because in any language you have the natural med count. So the 2 vowel count is natural as it occurs in all languages. For example, if we say creek, fall, tea, these are 2 haraka meds. All of these would have vowel count of 2, thus it is natural. So the definition of med tabi'i is the med that is only ever stretched for 2 harakat. The natural med, al-med al-tabi'i, the natural med are always 2 harakat long, and all of the med are in these words, this word. So for example, we have the word udhina, udhina. All of the med letters are preceded by a corresponding haraka. So we can see that the waw is natural med, is natural haraka is the dhamma, so that's there. The ya, the natural haraka is the kasra, so that is there. And the alif, the natural med is the fatha, the natural haraka is the fatha, so that occurs before the alif. And this is the maddu tabi'i. So however, there is another natural type of med. It does not rely on any haraka. So this med relies on the haraka before it. But there are some med which does not rely on any haraka at all, and this will be given later on as well in another lesson. But I just wanted to introduce it here. So in the beginning of some of the surah, there are some letters which are read with 2 haraka natural med, and that is the ha, ya, ta, ha, and ra. So this occurs in the huruf al-muqatta'at. Again, this will be explained further later on. And these letters are intrinsically med letters and are independent of any haraka. So the perfect example is in the beginning of Surah Taha, there's just Ta-ha. There will be nothing written on it, and that means that this is Ta-ha, 2 haraka med. Ta-ha. Very, very easy. So these are the maddu tabi'i. And we'll go on to the categories of the med in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Salam Alykum.